again, Miss Tara here. Did you know that there were more words to buckle my shoe? Last time we did numbers 1 through 10. This time we're going to do numbers, you ready for this? There's 10, 11 through 20. Okay, I think I'm going to need your help for this. So for round 1, we'll still do our 3 rounds. We're just going to focus on the words. Okay, here we go. 11, 12, dig and delve. 13, 14, maids a-courting. 15, 16, maids in the kitchen. 17, 18, maids a-waiting. 19, 20, my plate's empty. Okay, so those are our words. This time, for round 2, we're going to get our fingers moving so we can make our numbers. Now, each time we make a number, we're going to start with our friend 10, right? And we're going to add more numbers. And then we'll do our action. So the first 2 numbers we're going to make are, we're going to start with our friend 10, 10, and 1 more is 11, right? Now we're going to do 12, so 10 and 2 more is 12. Now for this one, we're going to dig and delve, so get your 2 hands up, right? And imagine that you're digging in a big sandbox. So we're going to dig all the sand away. Okay, now for 13, 10 and 3 more is 13. 14, 10, and 4 more is 14. Now for this one, the line is maids a-courting. So get your elbows up, kind of like you're flying like a chicken. But this, we're going to dance. We're going to go like this, like we're having lots of fun. Okay, now we're going to do 15. So 10 and 5 more is 15. For 16, 10 and 6 more is 16. Now for this one, the maids are in the kitchen. So let's pretend that we're eating. Ooh, that was good. All right, then we're going to do 17. So 10. Now we have to do 7 more. 5 on one, 2 on the other. 18. There's our friend 10. 5 on one, 3 on the other. And for this one, the maids are waiting. So get your wrist up, take 1 finger and tap your wrist like you're waiting, right? Time's wasting. Okay? Now 19. So 10, drop 1 finger, 5 and 4, make 9. And now we have to do 20. 10 plus 10 equals 20. And for this one, our plate's empty. So let's turn our palms up to the sky and go, kind of like, why? Why is my plate empty? Okay, so let's do round 3. Let's put it all together and we'll wiggle our fingers, right? They're going to get some practice. Okay, here we go. 11, 12, 12. Dig and delve. 13, 14, maids a-courting. 15, 16, maids in the kitchen. 17, 18, maids a-waiting. Here we go. 19. There's 19. 20. My plate's empty. Oh my goodness. We did it. Great job. You guys were really helpful. They're very good helpers. Okay, well, I hope you guys have fun with this. Feel free to rewind it, pause it, do what you need to practice because we really have to get our fingers nimble. Miss Tara was almost tricked. Almost, but I got it. Okay, stay tuned for next time. Bye.